Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I am here to share a kind of unboxing. I already unboxed this item. I've been using it actually, and that's kind of why I wanted to come on here to share it with you, because I thought it was such a great item that it would be a really good gift idea for yourself or for somebody else, especially for the upcoming, holidays like Mother's Day, graduation, all of that. So birthdays. So it is the Longchamp handbag. I think I've been really drawn into Longchamp end of last year. I've been buying it throughout the years, but then I decided to customize one, which I will show you what it looks like. And yeah, it comes in this bag, which again, this gift bag, I've already taken it out of here, but just wanted to show you what it would look like if you were to order it. And they have a lot of options right now on their page, and I think they're all great. But I am such a fan of their tote bag, and even though I have gotten other types of bags from them in the past, I always go back to their tote bags. So let me just show you really quick. I'll try to insert an unboxing here if I could manage that. But yeah, it's not too fancy in the packaging, but I did want to tell you, that it was nicely packaged as a gift. So let me just show you the item. And it's right here. This is the Le Pliage tote bag, which I'm sure you've seen on my channel and many other places before, but this one is a little different from the ones that you may have seen in that it looks very different in color. So I have this one in a brown material right here in the body, and then I have chosen a light pink leather for the tabs, the handles, the zipper up front here, as well as this flap. And then you can also decide to design it either with a little heart, initials, or like something big right across the front. I've decided to keep it just a heart with some letters of people in my close and dearest family. And then here on the tab, you can see that maybe you cannot see, but it's kind of hot stamped in gold, and you can select silver, gold, but it says mama on it because if you've seen my recent videos, I just gave birth in January. So I thought that was really cute. So if this was like a gift for, let's say, a mom for Mother's Day upcoming, this would be, I think, a great option. This initial could be, the mom's kids' initials. It could be her initials. Yeah, just so many options. And if it's for like someone's birthday, of course you can write something that's meaningful as well. And then, I think the hardware, you can choose like a silver hardware. There's a lot of customizations. I've been playing around with it. I'll try to like show you what it kind of looks like, but you can go many, like, I wouldn't say hours, but you can definitely take a while playing around with it. And on the inside, it does say Longchamp, and then I wrote names down here, but you can also write a message. I don't want to like show too much of this. You can definitely customize things on this inside pocket, which it is very spacious right here. So I have a little tissue, but like you can put your phone in there. So I have my Pixel 10 that drops in like nothing. And then on the inside, it is one big compartment. As you can see, it is kind of lined in this fabric material. It looks like a micro fabric material, and it is very different compared to the original travel Le Pliage tote bags. This one does not have a foldable like button, but you can see this is how big the pocket is. Actually, let me just show you really quick. This is my 13-inch MacBook laptop holder, and I just wanted to show you it could fit in here so easily. You can see you could fit like probably a 15-inch because this just drops right in. This is the large size, so that's probably why. But yeah, I don't have an organizer in here. I don't have a bottom base shaper, which I think I may get either a base shaper or a organizer at some point, but I've just been using it as a mommy bag, and I've thrown so many things in there: clothes, diapers, wipes. I just throw everything in there, and there's still space. So I think this is a great catch-all bag. Now let me compare it to the original Les Pliages bag. This is my travel one that looks a little beat up now. It usually comes with these brown handles, brown trims, gold hardware. This one has an expandable middle, so you can make it bigger, so it's great for travel. And as you can see, there is a button on the back because this one can fold up into like a very tiny square, and so it is very nice when you're traveling. You can pack this and then use it when you need it. But yeah, I love that it has a zip on the top for travel. The inside of this one is a wipeable texture because it is nylon. Now my pliage one is also made of recycled polyester, but it's like a knitted polyester, so you can see that it's more fabric-like rather than plastic-like. So I'm just holding it side by side. This one is more plastic-like and this one's more fabric-like, but they're both made of like, you know, a very durable material. So this one I've used a while now. As you can see, it's still very in great shape. This one is not as, I guess, water resistant because it doesn't have that like nylon coating, but it does feel really nice against your body. It just like, it's so soft, it's so like durable, but it's just like, it just hugs, you know. But yeah, I really like this one. It is made in France. I don't know if they're all made in France, I would imagine, but yeah, mine does say made in France. And a lot of Les Pliages tote bags are not made in France anymore, except for like their special ones. So I was pleasantly surprised that this was. Now, why I'm making this video now, even though if I'm suggesting it for Mother's Day, is because it does take a few weeks. So it's better to just place the order now and get it shipped so you can get it. But if you're placing it for graduation or, you know, someone's birthday, you may have a little bit more time. Yeah, just keep in mind you may have too much fun playing with it on their website. So plan for extra time. I think I also saw a travel sized one, so one that is more of like a duffel bag, so that one's customizable as well. So I've seen so many like stripes. Yeah, it's just really, really cool. So if you're interested, definitely click on the link below. I will link where this bag is, and yeah, I would love to hear if you would be interested in giving this as a gift for somebody, for yourself. Yeah. I hope you guys are all doing well. Would appreciate it if you give this a thumbs up, use the link, let me know, all that stuff in the comments below. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in my next video.